Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Sigma 1009 STS bike computer, and in this scenario here I got the wireless version. So I'm going to show you how I position the unit over here, the display, the sensor, and the magnet, which is right over here, right behind down there. Okay, let's get into this thing here. So the first thing that you want to notice over here, this is how I made my makeshift here. You see the pad, this rubber pad, I placed this thing here so that the unit, the display, doesn't move too much. And if I move this cable over here, this is how it's being held. You got this hook over here, hook on the other side. There's one on here, one on here. And then you have this rubber band holding it. I don't want to remove this thing off because I don't want to cause any stress. Because if I break this one, if this snaps, I don't know where I'm going to find another one. Now, before I spin the wheel and show you that everything works, I also want to show you here that the menu. So you have the max speed, you have the trip distance, trip time, you have average speed. So everything is good to go. Now let's spin the wheel and show you that this works beautifully the way it should. Now before I go further, I just want to show you that the unit works. Everything is good. And that's pretty much that. Now let's move to the next step. Okay, now let's show you how I position the sensor, the Sigma wireless sensor, which is right here, as you see. I am about the 8 inches from the bottom of the fork. You see, I'm just at about 8 inches over here. And again, this is hooked up, being held the same way like the unit up there. So you have these two hooks, one hook here, one at the back. Do you see what so there's a hook here, there's a hook here, and there's this elastic, band holding this thing together here. And as I tap it here, it's pretty sturdy. So I haven't had issues, and I was testing this excessively. Now the second thing that you want to be spot on is this thing here. Now if you look over here, you see the magnet has to come on the outer side. So the magnet has to be facing this way, and this is the clip holding it from the back. So towards you, towards the unit, towards the sensor, you want to have the magnet right here, and the gap, okay? So the gap between the sensor and the magnet, in my case here, is about 5 millimeter. So I would say a quarter of the inch. This is the gap that you want to be between when the wheel goes back now. You see over here? Okay, now the gap over here, which I'm gonna put you here, should be about 5 millimeter right here. This is how much the gap will be over here. So that this unit works the way it should. So that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this interesting, useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. And I'm gonna put one of these units down in the description on Amazon, where I get a tiny bit of commission if you purchase these through my links. And this kind of procedure is very similar to the Strada bike computers. Like, subscribe, and take care, please.